So me I go bust this what me I know and see what inside. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. So today I have an item that I just received from way Asia. Go on the camp vehicle. And guys, I have a lot of work to do on that vehicle because I went to that China place that took me in Jamaica and I was told that I need to refurbish the engine. So a lot of work to be done on the vehicle itself. But anyway, bought this couple months ago, just received it. Right, so decided I'm gonna do an open box, let you guys see what's going on. Right. Yeah. So everybody familiar with the Camp Mobile and know all the work I've been putting in it to improve drive quality, durability, as well as the aesthetics, something like that. Right, so this is what I got for it. Yeah, big lights, pick up. Yeah, I got headlamps. So these headlamps have daytime running lights and LED, right, as well as the indicator at the top there. Yeah, this will definitely give the ride a nice look, right? Yeah, I love this. And it is one of those where just plug and play. Yeah, you just need to plug it in, right, and it's good to go. So I can install this myself, right, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on until I refurbish the engine, guys. But yeah, I wish I could plug it in and let you see the operation, but this is it. Simple and straightforward, plug and play. So it's just the other side is in the box, so basically know what's going on. So that's it, my friends. Pick up yourself, be safe wherever you are in the world, right? And respect, and I appreciate all you guys' support all the while. Campfire Fusion saying, let's go!